So you can imagine that the potential of Facebook is unlimited like the sea. And you have so many clients that can come to you like fishes in this water, in the sea. And you just need to know that when you create a post, when you engage it, it's something like the offer. So it means that you attract them to you. This is why your engaging post is so important. When you pay promotion, it's important that you offer your post to fishes that really are interested in you and you are interested in them. And then the last point is when you get the fish, it's when you get the client. So your potential is basically unlimited. And there are only 3 conditions you need to know. Create engaging posts, promote it to potential customers, and remarket them, because the people often decide not on the first contact, but they need more contact with you.